Good morning, students. In last class, we studied conduction and convection and their applications, sea breeze and land breeze. The mode of conduction take place in the medium solid and convection take place in gases or liquid. Let us take one example. Winter is approaching and we like to sit around the fire so that we get heat. Now if I ask you one question, what is the mode of transfer of heat? In this example, we are sitting just in front of a source of heat. There is gap between the fire and us, means there is no solid medium, means conduction cannot take place in this example. And in convection we studied that warm air rises upward, means the heat we get from the fire is also not coming from the mode convection, means there is any other mode of transfer of heat is taking place in this example, which require no medium. This mode of transfer of heat is called radiation. Radiation is the mode of transfer of heat in which no medium is required. All the hot bodies, they radiate heat energy, and when any radiant heat strike any surface, some of the part of energy is reflected back and remaining part is absorbed by the surface. We prefer to wear dark color in winter and light colors in summer. This is what is the reason behind it? Because all the dark and black color, they are good absorber of heat radiation, and white color or light color, they are good reflector of heat. That's why we wear light color in summer and dark color in winter. All the dark colors, good being a good absorber, they are good emitter also, heat radiator also, means good absorbers are good radiator and bad absorbers are bad radiator of heat. There are some applications we use in our daily life. Let us come to know one by one. The ultimate source of heat on the earth is sun, and we get heat from the sun through the medium, not conduction because there is no solid between earth and sun, not convection because there is no air between sun and earth, means only radiation is taking place here because there is no medium between earth and sun, and through the medium, through the mode radiation, we get heat from the sun. Another example, in cooking utensil, you must have seen that the bottom of the cooking utensils are blackened, but the upper part of the cooking utensil is bright or shiny, so that the dark color, it absorbs heat from the source of heat and does not emit heat by the bright surface and retain heat in the utensil so that food is cooked properly. Another example, the petrol tanker, you must have seen they are highly polished so that whatever heat is striked on the surface of the tanker, it is reflected back and there should no accident take place. Another example, the firemen, they wear bright color suits so to avoid the absorption of heat radiation by any source of heat. There are so many examples we go through in our daily life. In winters, we sit around the fire to get heat from the mode radiation, and you should also know the all the hot bodies, they are heat radiator. Whenever you sit around or sit near any source of heat, you will feel the heat by the mode radiation. For example, near the heater, near the source of heat, fire, or any source near the iron, you will feel heat through the mode radiation. And there are another examples given in your book, you should go through, and I'll provide you question regarding this topic. And only this was the explanation of radiation. See you next time in next class. Thank you for today.